Okay. Hello everyone. Hi Capricorns. How you guys doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy, safe. Following the rules and guidelines of the government. This is the reading for the month of April 2021. If you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to donate, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to have 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, let's see what's going on with you guys. Okay, this is a situationship reading. That means that it is either related to career or relationship. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Okay, what you are going through currently in the month of April. Okay, juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions, a lot of confusion, Sahil. One second. Okay, sorry guys, one of my client called me. Okay, so sorry for the sim. I spelled out his name, okay, in the video, don't mind. Okay, so yeah, he was calling me and there was just a name popping up in my mobile. Okay, so yeah, sorry for the same. Okay, so someone is juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. There is a proper guidance about to happen. Okay, like if you are converting your passion into profession, this will be good. If there might be a possibility that you need some sort of guidance, Capricorns, related to someone or something, either into your career life or into your relationship. You are letting go of certain things, certain past trauma, issues, problems. Okay, you are investing, or you are doing things very miserly, you are spending very miserly. Okay, there is some sort of compromise which needs to be made. You feel that if you did something like this, okay, there will be a compromise which you need to make, or in the long term process, okay, which you don't want to make, or you have done a lot of compromise in the past, now you are not ready for the same. Okay, there is a lack of understanding into a situation. It might be relationship, it might be career, it might be anything. Okay, so certain sort of lack of understanding is there. Okay, yes, you feel that there is something, some past life karmas are related to you. Okay, here is a karmic wheel turning on. That's why you feel isolated, you feel lonely, you feel alone, you cry alone. Okay, like you feel sad when you are alone, or you feel that a lot of burdens you are carrying related to long term relationships with people around you. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, you have to see beyond illusion, like whatever it is beyond illusion. You will understand a lot of things about yourself, about the people around you, which is beyond illusion, which is very good. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out. Okay, okay, you have a lot of courage, a lot of strength. Okay, if you have done something into a partnership, that partnership will not work out the way you want. Okay, because of the third party interference. And if it's a relationship, if there is a third party interference is there into a relationship, whether parents, mother-in-law, father-in-law, siblings, neighbors, or anyone, that relationship have a shaken up in the past. Okay, which you want to rebuild, but it cannot be rebuilt, or you have to release the third party situation into your life if it's affecting your relationship or marriage life. Okay, so yeah, is there any third party there is a third party involvement and interference is there, either into your career life or into your relationship. Release it. Okay, there you are stuck into a past, like where you want, where to go, here or here, you're stuck into a situation. Also, one more thing, you want happily ever after with your partner, with your person, that he or she is the one into your life. Okay, So there is a devil energy, okay. There is someone in the past or someone around you who you think that they have taken advantage of you, okay. Very possessive, taken advantage, very sneaky or manipulative energy. Stay away in the month of April from that devil energy or devil person, okay, or negative person. Yes, karmic things are coming to an end very soon. Within next 4 months, karmic cycle will come to an end, Capricorns. Okay, but you feel very strength. You have a lot of anxiety issues nowadays. Like you feel very weird. What's happening with you? That's the situation you're going through currently. Okay. Okay, yeah, there are hidden truths, hidden secrets related to a third party situation or interference, and you know it, and release the third party interference if it is harming your relationship or it's harming your marriage in some way or the other. Okay, whether if it's your parents or others' parents as well. Okay, anxiety issues, you are releasing a lot of anxiety issues in the month of April. Okay, anxiety issues, release it. If you are not releasing it, release it. Release the tensions, problems, traumas into your life. Okay, it is much more important. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, so guys, if you are very much concerned about your family life, happily ever after, okay, if that's going on, you need to make sure that you are also putting a lot of effort, okay, with this relationship, or making an effort towards that person. Okay, it's not a one way communication, it's always a two-way effort which you need to make. Okay, so if the other person is making effort, you need to make an effort too. Okay, the other thing is that you feel that you're not thinking about the money first, but you are thinking about how to you are thinking about your relationships or your personal life more in the month of April. Okay, what is there, how is there, like what's going on, that's the thing. Okay, you feel that there is a victory going to happen within next 6 months. There is a wheel turning into your own favor, and there is a victory on the horizon for you, Capricorns. Okay, there is a lack of abundance you feel. Okay, so that wheel will a drastic major shifts and changes is about to happen into next 6 months related to money, victory, life, either into your personal life or into your career life. Capricorns, if you are thinking about the past is not going to come back in your life. Okay, but there's a major change or major shifts is happening. Either you meet a new person, new energy into the upcoming months, or else there's a major change and major shifts is going to happen related to money. Okay, that's the thing, which is very good. Okay, so there's a wish fulfillment which has been blocked, which will be coming true within next 6 to 9 months. Okay, so yeah, yes, karmic justice, karmic, if you have any court case, it will be into your own favor within next few months. Okay, if you are working related to something karmic relationships, if you are dealing with, that will come to an end. Okay, so karmic endings are on the horizon for you as well, Capricorns. You will feel that this is in the month of April, this is not the time of taking thinking. This is the time of taking action, which is very good. Wow, you are releasing all the heartbreak situations, like you are overcoming it somewhere, which is very good. That's very good, that's very awesome. Third party situations are getting released, or you are moving on towards someone else, some new energies. Okay, you're moving on from your heartbrokenness and you're moving on to your new life, which is very good. Let's see the universal message. What are the universal messages? Okay, okay, so let's see. Whatever cards are there, I will read all of it. The first universal message is, the moment I embrace my peace within and surrender the outcome, is the moment that the universe can truly get to work. So whenever you are at peace, the universe gives you the results of your work, whatever you have done. The second message is, I let go of the shadow of the past by seeing someone for the first time with the eyes of love. So you see everyone with the eyes of love. You let go of the past. The presence, the third message, the presence of love will always cast out of fear. Wow, that's awesome. Fourth, there is something sexier. There's nothing sexier than my authentic truth. Beautiful. Be honest, be mindful, be truthful. Okay. Fifth message. In every moment, the universe is conspiring to bring me towards right-minded thinking and the energy of love. So, universe is redirecting to the correct path. Okay. Whenever you are confused, universe is redirecting to your correct path. Okay. The last message is, I choose love no matter what. So you will always choose love because you are full of love, which is very good. Let's see what are the angel guardians saying. Messages from the angel guardians. Before that, kindly like, share and subscribe, guys. Okay, and comment down below how was the reading. Okay. Wow. Okay, what angels are saying to you. The first message is generosity. You keep generosity the quality in your spirits. Okay, be generous to yourself and to the people around you. The second message is laughter. Be, laughter is a wonderful healer. It shakes out fear and leaves you feeling happier, clearer and more relaxed. Remember that angels fly because they take themselves lightly. So take light of difficulties and see the funny side of the situation. Whatever situation you are going through, see the funny side of it, because everything happens for a reason, and that's a fact. Okay, Capricorns. So yeah, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment down below if this situation resonated with you or not. Okay, bye bye, take care.